my friends, welcome to Maverick channel. Yet another lovely evening, and I will be flying the Vivitar Aeroview video drone. It's been about 2 weeks now. I have not had this drone gone airborne, so I decided to have some fun with it this great evening. So let's go. Oh yeah, always faithful. Yeah. Woo! I just love this drone, man. Every time I fly it, it gives me some other kind of joy, Matter of fact, I love all my drones and I enjoy flying all of them, but this one I just love to fly it, especially LOS. I just like to fly it line of sight, not taking it too far, just having some fun. That's what I'm talking about, baby. For those who are new to my channel, this is my favorite drone, and I am not kidding about that. I really like this drone, and it is not because, like I always say in all of my videos, it's not because it has the greatest camera or it is too fast. No, I just enjoy flying it. It is very responsive to command, and just fun to fly. Just look at it. Let me increase the speed here. Let's go to medium. I was flying on low, now we got the medium speed. Oh yeah. Wee. Even my Skyview doesn't fly as good as this Aeroview. The Skyview is a great drone, but sometimes it will act funny. It has a mind of its own, but this one is just perfect, I can say. But one piece of advice, guys: as soon as you see the light starts flashing, signaling low battery, please land this bird. Just bring it down. Don't push it too far because it will take off on you. Mostly it will come back to its point of takeoff, but I have had experiences where it attempts to fly away and I will struggle and bring it down. So I just advise that if it signals low battery, please bring it down. Ooh-wee. Woo. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Oh yeah. Man, this is the second time this drone has actually gotten stuck on this Christmas light. Okay, almost getting it off. All right, let's see. I guess I know it's okay because it wasn't a terrible crash. It just got stuck, but let's try to get it back airborne and make sure that everything is okay. Oh yeah, ever faithful. Let's go up and down a little bit. Oh yeah. Yeah, I remember once, I think it was during winter, it got stuck on that same light, and I was almost trying to do the same thing, going closer and then turning around, and it got stuck. So this is a repeat of of that same crash, but it's all good. Nothing is wrong with the drone. Ooh-wee. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Ooh-wee, ooh-wee, ooh-wee. Oh yeah, it's a lovely evening. It's not too hot today. Yesterday we had a storm actually for about 15 minutes, but it was horrible with terrible wind. It blew down my tent that I have in the backyard, so it wasn't an easy one. But today it's been very, very great. Not too hot, just perfect. Oh yeah, look at that bird. Look at that bird, man. Ooh. That's what I'm talking about, baby. I see the lights are flashing already. So we'll just push it for about a minute and that should be it. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can see the lights flashing terribly. Let's play with it a little bit. Alright guys, please leave your comments below. If you have this same drone, please tell me your experiences about it. Let us know how much you enjoy this drone, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not yet subscribed, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you very much and have a great day.